Imagine waking up one morning and seeing $10,000 sitting in your savings account. No credit card balance hanging over your head. No panic when your car needs a repair. No fear when an unexpected medical bill arrives. Just $10,000 that belongs to you. Sounds impossible? For many Americans, it isn't. The problem isn't always that people don't make enough money. Sometimes the real problem is that money disappears in hundreds of tiny decisions. A $7 coffee, a $15 food delivery fee, a $30 subscription you forgot about, a few impulse purchases, a weekend dinner, and suddenly another month is gone. But what if you stopped thinking about saving $10,000 as one giant goal? What if you broke it down into small targets that actually feel achievable? Today, we're going to do exactly that. In this video, I'll show you a simple 12-month $10,000 saving challenge where every month has a specific target. And stay until the end, because I'll also show you what to do if you can't afford to save $833 every month. Because this isn't about becoming rich overnight, it's about building a system that makes saving almost automatic. Welcome to ProfitNest. Let's get started. 1. The $10,000 number. Let's start with the math. To save $10,000 in 1 year, you need to average about $833 per month. That's approximately $192 per week, or around $27 per day. Now, when you hear $10,000, your brain might immediately say, "There's no way I can do that." But $10,000 isn't one giant payment. It's hundreds of small decisions repeated over time. Think about it this way: if someone told you, save $10,000 today, that's impossible for most people. But if someone says, find $27 in today's spending, that sounds much more realistic. And that's the psychological trick behind this challenge. We're not going to obsess over the $10,000. We're going to focus on the next saving decision. Part 2, meet Sarah. Let's imagine someone named Sarah. Sarah is 29 years old. She works a normal American job. She earns enough to pay her bills, but she never seems to have enough left at the end of the month. Every payday, Sarah thinks, "This month I'll finally save some money." But then rent comes, then groceries, then the car payment, then insurance, then restaurants, then Amazon, then streaming services, then some unexpected expense, and suddenly, her bank account is almost empty again. Sarah isn't necessarily irresponsible. She simply never created a system for her money. So one Sunday night, she opens her banking app. Her savings account has $412. That's when she makes a decision. She's going to save $10,000, not someday, not when she gets a huge raise, not when life becomes perfect. She's going to start now, and this is where the challenge begins. Part 3, month 1. Find the money you're already losing. Sarah's first month isn't about making more money. It's about discovering where her money is going. She looks at the previous 30 days of spending, and she finds something shocking. She has multiple subscriptions she barely uses: a streaming service, an app subscription, a premium membership, a fitness service. Together, they're costing her over $70 every month. She cancels the ones she doesn't need. Then she looks at food delivery. She realizes she's spending hundreds of dollars every month on restaurant delivery. So she doesn't completely eliminate restaurants. Instead, she creates a rule: one fewer delivery order every week. That's important. Extreme financial plans often fail because people become too restrictive. You don't need to stop enjoying life. You need to stop spending money automatically. By the end of the first month, Sarah saves an extra $500. She's not at $10,000, but something much more important has happened. She has proof that she can save. Part 4, month 2. 24-hour rule. Now Sarah creates another rule. Before buying anything that isn't essential, she waits 24 hours. Want a new pair of shoes? Wait. Want a new gadget? Wait. Want something because it suddenly appeared in an advertisement? Wait. Why? Because impulse buying often feels urgent in the moment. But after 24 hours, the excitement disappears, and Sarah discovers something interesting. Many things she wanted yesterday, she doesn't actually want today. She doesn't have to eliminate shopping. She simply stops letting advertisements make decisions for her. This month, she saves another $650. Her total is now $1,150. Part 5, month 3, the grocery reset. Food can quietly destroy a budget, and the answer isn't necessarily eating cheap, unhealthy food. It's planning.
Risk, time, fees, compounding, and consistency. Don't invest money you need for tomorrow's bills. Don't invest because somebody online promised easy riches. Learn first. Then make decisions based on your own financial situation and risk tolerance. Because the goal isn't to become rich overnight. The goal is to become financially stronger year after year. Finally, when you reach $10,000, don't start over. This may be the most important rule. Imagine you've finally saved your first $10,000. You feel proud, you should, but don't make the mistake of thinking, I made it. You didn't finish. You built a foundation. Now create the next target, $15,000, then $20,000. Then perhaps enough savings and investments to cover several months of essential expenses. Your financial goals should evolve as your life evolves. And here's the psychological advantage. Your first $1,000 teaches you that saving is possible. Your first $5,000 proves that consistency works. Your first $10,000 changes your confidence. And after that, you're no longer asking, can I save money? You're asking, how much financial security can I build? That's a completely different mindset. The $10,000 blueprint. So let's make this practical. Open your banking app today. Write down 3 numbers. Number 1, how much do I have saved right now? Number 2, how much do I want to save? Number 3, how much can I realistically save every month? Then calculate your target. For example, if you have $2,000 saved and want to reach $10,000, you need another $8,000. Saving $500 per month would take about 16 months, ignoring interest or investment returns. Saving $750 per month would take roughly 11 months. The important thing isn't choosing an unrealistic number. It's choosing a number you can actually repeat. Because consistency beats motivation. Every single time. Final message. Here's something I want you to remember. Your financial future probably won't be changed by one giant decision.
Sarah starts going to the grocery store with a list.
Decisions. The $20 you didn't waste. The subscription you canceled, the meal you cooked at home, the automatic transfer you didn't stop, the impulse purchase you waited 24 hours to make, the extra $100 you saved after getting a raise. None of those decisions feel life-changing, but together, they can become life-changing. Your first $10,000 isn't just a number in a bank account. It's a financial safety net. It's breathing room. It's confidence. It's the ability to handle an unexpected problem without immediately reaching for a credit card. And most importantly, it's proof that you can take control of your money. So don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until you earn more. Don't wait until next year. Start with whatever you have. Start with the first $1, then the first $100, then the first $1,000, and keep going. Because your future financial life is being built, one decision at a time. This is ProfitNest. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple money strategies, saving challenges, investing lessons, and financial stories designed for everyday people. And remember, don't just make money, understand it, save it, grow it, and most importantly, make your money work for the future you want. Welcome to ProfitNest.